See the next question, 4x plus 1 divided by square root of 2x square plus x minus 1. Okay, it's a next type of questions. Okay, here you can observe this question is in the form px plus q divided by square root of ax square plus bx plus c form. If 1 by some number is there, you can do it directly by following the last previous steps. But here see, numerator px plus q is there. What is the procedure then to solve this one? You need to write px plus q is equal to a into d by dx of the denominator term ax square plus bx plus c plus b. Okay, then comparing the coefficients, you need to rewrite px plus q in terms of a into d by dx of this term plus b. But here see, no need to do this method, because if you observe the question, 4x plus 1 divided by square root of 2x square plus x minus 3 into dx is there, right? Here you can solve this by substitution method, because see, substitute 2x square plus x minus 3 is equal to t. Then differentiating with respect to x, okay, 2 2s are 4x, then differentiation of x is 1, 3 is 0, it's equal to dt by dx. So 4x plus 1 into dx is equal to what you will get, dt. Okay, so your question is in the form f dash of x divided by f of x. Then no need to do this method, you can solve it by directly by substitution method. Okay, if it is not in the form f dash of x by f of x, then first you need to convert into this form, then you need to substitute. We will see that in the next problem. Okay, if you apply this method for this question, again you will get the same form. That means you need to do the substitution method only. Okay, so if f dash of x by f of x is there, means you can solve it directly. So substitute here, what you will get, integration of 1 divided by square root of 2x square plus x minus 3 is, it's equal to t into 4x plus 1 into dx. 4x plus 1 into dx, what we have, it's equal to dt. So it is equal to integration of 1 by root 2 into dt. Don't write it as log root t. Into simplify, right? We know it's equal to 1 by t to the power 1 by 2 into dt. This is equal to integration of t to the power minus 1 by 2. Okay, why 1 by a to the power m? If you take to the numerator, you will get a to the power minus m. Okay, so t to the power minus 1 by 2 into dt. Integrate direct formula, it's equal to t to the power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So if you simplify this one, what you will get, t to the power 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 plus c, it's equal to, take 1 by 2 numerator, that will become 2 into t to the power 1 by 2 is root t plus c. Okay, it's equal to 2 into, what is root t? Root t value is equal to 2x square plus x minus 3. Okay, then plus c. So integration value is equal to 2 into square root of 2x square plus x minus 3 plus c. See the next question, x plus 2 divided by square root of x square minus 1. So consider this question. Okay, integration of x plus 2 divided by square root of x square minus 1 into dx. It's equal to integration of, you can rewrite it as x divided by square root of x square minus 1 plus into dx plus integration of 2 divided by square root of x square minus 1. Okay, then here see, two terms are there, right? Okay, I am writing it as I1 plus I2. What is I1? I1 is equal to integration of x by square root of x square minus 1 into dx, and I2 value is equal to, we have 2 into 1 by square root of x square minus 1 into dx. See, I2 value we have direct formula, integration of 1 by square root of x square minus 1 into dx, it's equal to log of mod x plus square root of x square minus 1. It's a direct formula we have. But for I2 you need to, but for I1 you need to calculate the value. Consider I1 is equal to integration of x by square root of x square minus 1 into dx. Next, go for substitution method. Substitute x square minus 1 equal to t. Then differentiating with respect to x. Okay, differentiating with respect to x. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Differentiation of t with respect to x is dt divided by dx. If you cross multiply, what you will get? 2x into dx equal to dt. But observe the numerator of the I1, x into dx is there, right? So x into dx is equal to dt divided by 2. Okay, so substitute in I1. So I1 is equal to integration of 1 by root t, right? 1 by root t, because x square minus 1 is t, into x into dx value is equal to dt divided by 2. So I1 value is equal to, keeping 1 by 2 outside, integration of root t means t to the power minus 1 by 2. 1 by root 2 means t to the power 1 minus 1 by root t means t to the power minus 1 by 2. We saw that in previous problem, right? Into dt is remaining. So I1 is equal to 1 by 2 into t to the power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is t to the power 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 plus c. 1 by 2 get cancelled. I1 is equal to t to the power 1 by 2. It's equal to root t. Okay, root t plus c. It's equal to square root of what is t? T value is equal to x square minus 1 plus c. Now see, we have I1 and I2 values. Okay, so I1 and I2 substituting in equation 1, integration of x plus 2 divided by square root of x square minus 1 into dx equal to I1 value is square root of x square minus 1 plus I2 value. What is I2 value? I2 value is log of mod x plus square root of x square minus 1 plus c. Okay, it's a integration value. See the next question. 5x minus 2 divided by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. Clearly see, it is not in the form f dash of x by f of x form. So it is in the form px plus q divided by ax square plus bx plus c form. So what you have to do to solve this problem, you need to write px plus q numerator as a into d by dx of the denominator ax square plus bx plus c, okay, and plus b. Then compare and solve. So consider the equation, integration of 5x minus 2 divided by 3x square plus 2x plus 1 into dx. Okay, I am writing, take it as equation 1. I am writing 5x minus 2 equal to a into d by dx of 3x square plus 2x plus 1 plus b. So 5x minus 2 is equal to a into d by dx of this term is 3 2s are 6x plus 2, okay, plus b. 5x minus 2 is equal to 6x into a plus 2 into a is 2a plus b. First compare coefficients of x, that means term with x, then compare the constant terms. Okay, so comparing coefficient of x first, comparing, what is the coefficient of x here? 5 is equal to, what is here? 6a. This implies a value is equal to 5 by 6. Comparing the constant terms, what is there here? Minus 2 is equal to 2a plus b is the constant term. Okay, simplify, minus 2 equal to 2 into 5 by 6 plus b. Okay, this implies minus 2 is equal to 10 by 6. Okay, it's equal to 5 divided by 3 plus b minus 2 minus 5 by 3 equal to b. Then see, 3 2s are minus 6. Okay, minus 6 minus 5. This implies b value is equal to minus 11 divided by 3. Substituting in equation 1. Okay, substitute this in equation 1. Integration of 5x minus 2 by 3x square plus 2x plus 1 into dx is equal to integration of, okay, how to write 5x minus 2? You to write 5x minus 2 equal to a value is 5 by 6 into d by dx of this term is 6x plus 2. Okay, 6x plus 2 plus what is b value? B value is equal to minus 11 by 3. Minus 11 by 3 into dx. Okay, divided by square root of 3x square plus 2x plus 1 into dx. Okay, I am writing numerator as a into d by dx of the denominator plus b. A value is 5 by 6 into d by dx is 6x plus 2. Okay, and b value is equal to minus 11 by 3. Okay, so in the next step, see, separating this one, you can write it as it is equal to 5 by 6 integration of 5 by 6 into 6x plus 2 divided by square root of 3x square plus 2x plus 1 into dx minus 11 by 3 into integration of 1 divided by square root of 3x square plus 2x plus 1 into dx. Here see, two terms are there, right? Take it's equal to I1 plus I2. Okay, then write what is I1 value and what is I2 value. I1 value is equal to 5 by 6 into integration of 6x plus 2 divided by 3x square plus 2x plus 1. I1 value is there. Calculate I1 value. Consider I1 is equal to 5 by 6 into integration of 6x plus 2 divided by 3x square plus 2x plus 1. See, it is in the form f dash of x by f of x, right? Okay, so you can write it directly, or we know, right, integration of f dash of x by f of x, okay, into dx is equal to log of f of x plus c is there, right? So here you directly write I1 value is equal to 5 by 6 into log of f of x value is 3x square plus 2x plus 1 plus c1. Okay, I am taking it as c1 because two terms are there, right? So I1 value is equal to 5 by 6 into log of 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, then calculate I2 value. Consider I2 is equal to minus 11 by 3 into integration of 1 by 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, so now consider 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, what you have to write? You need to write it in the form a square plus 2ab plus c. Then after that you need to write a plus b whole square minus b square plus c form. So 3x square, how to write it as a square? You can write it as root 3x square. Root 3 square is 3, x square is x square. So you will get 3x square plus 2 into a you already taken as root 3x into, then how to get b value? What must be b? See, you have to get 2x. That means you need to remove root 3, right? So b value is equal to 1 by root 3. Root 3 get cancelled, so you will get 2x only. Okay, plus c value it's equal to plus 1. You can rewrite it as, this implies it's equal to root 3 into x whole square this implies, you can write it as, this is equal to a plus b whole square. root 3x plus 1 by root 3 whole square, okay, a plus b whole square minus b square, that is 1 by root 3 whole square is 1 by 3 plus c. Okay, this implies this is equal to cross multiply root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3 into x plus 1 divided by LCM is root 3 whole square minus subtract minus 1 by 3 plus 1. 3 minus 1, that is 2 divided by, okay, 3, right, minus 2 by 3 is there. So later you can write it as it's equal to 3x plus 1 divided by root 3 whole square minus whole square root of 2 by 3 whole square. Okay, now substitute here. So I2 value is equal to minus 11 by 3 into integration of 1 by, this term is nothing but 3x plus 1 by root 3 whole square minus root of 2 by 3 whole square into dx. Then go for substitution method. Take substitute 3x plus 1 by root 3 equal to t. Then differentiating with respect to x, this implies keeping 1 by root 3 outside, 1 by root 3 into, what is differentiation of 3x plus 1? 3, okay, 1 is 0, so 1 by root into 3 equal to dt by dx. So what is the value of 1 by root 3 into 3? Root 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Take dx this side, into dx equal to dt. This implies root 3 into dx equal to dt. This implies dx value is equal to dt divided by root 3. Okay, now substitute this value in I2. So you will get, take this root 3 outside, I2 value is equal to minus 11 by 3 into 1 by root 3, okay, into integration of 1 by t square minus square root of 2 by 3 whole square. See, we have the formula integration of 1 by x square minus a square into dx equal to tan inverse of x divided by a plus c. So it's equal to I2 value is equal to minus 11 by 3 root 3, right, minus 11 by 3 root 3 into tan inverse of x, in place of x here t, divided by root of root to 2 by 3 is root to 2 divided by root 3, okay, plus c. Okay, in the next step, see, I2 value is equal to minus 11 by 3 root 3 into tan inverse of t value. What is t? See, in previous case we took t value is equal to, somewhere we are substituted here 3x plus 1 by root 3, right, 3x plus 1 divided by root 3 whole term divided by root 2 divided by root 3. Root 3 get cancels. This implies I2 value is equal to minus 11 by 3 root 3 into tan inverse of 3x plus 1 divided by root 2 plus c, to take it as c2, integration constant. Okay, therefore now see, combine I1 and I2. Integration of 5x minus 2 divided by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square into dx is equal to, what is I1 value? I1 value is 5 by 6 into log of 3x square plus 2x plus 1, okay, plus I2 value. I2 value is equal to minus 11 divided by 3 root 2, okay, 3 root 3 into tan inverse of 3x plus 1 divided by root 2 plus c, c1 plus c2. I am combining and taking it as it's equal to c. See the next question, 6x plus 7 divided by square root of x minus 5 into x minus 4. It's equal to integration of 6x plus 7 divided by square root of, multiply x into x is x square minus 5x minus 4x is minus 9x plus 5 4 is 20 into dx. Okay, see, it is not in the form f dash of x by f of x, right? So use the formula px plus q. So if your question is in the form px plus q, integration of px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c, under square root or not under square, it is not a matter, but it's in this form. So you need to write it as a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus b form. Okay, so here 6x plus 7 is equal to a into d by dx of denominator term is x square minus 9x plus 20 plus b. So 6x plus 7 is equal to a into d by dx of this term is x square is equal to 2x minus 9, okay, plus b. Okay, take it as equation 1. So now calculate a and b value, compare, or you can further simplification is possible, right? Here I'll write it as 6x plus 7 is equal to 2x into a minus 9a plus b. Okay, comparing, first compare coefficients of x, that means term with x. What is the term with x here? 6 is equal to here 2a. This implies a value is equal to 6 by 2. This implies a value is equal to 3. Then comparing the constant term, 7 is equal to minus 9a plus b. So 7 is equal to minus 9 into 3 is equal to minus 27 plus b. B value is equal to 27 plus 7. It's equal to 34. So b value is equal to plus 34. Okay, substitute these two in equation 1. Okay, substituting in equation 1. So 6x plus 7 is equal to a value 3 into 2x minus 9 plus 34. Okay, now consider the integration star. 6x plus 7 divided by square root of x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx, it's equal to integration of 3 into 2x minus 9 plus 34 divided by square root of x square minus 9x plus 20. Okay, you can rewrite this as it's equal to integration of 3 into 2x minus 9 divided by square root of x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx plus second term 34 divided by square root of x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx. Take first one as I1, take the second one as I2. Okay, now solve this I1 and I2 separately. We have I1 value is equal to integration of 3 into 2x minus 9 divided by square root of x square minus 9x plus 20. Okay, and I2 value is equal to integration of 34 divided by square root of x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx. Okay, first consider I1. Here see, keeping 3 outside, we can substitute x square minus 9x plus 20 equal to t. Then 2x minus 9 equal to dt by dx. This implies 2x minus 9 into dx equal to dt. So if you simplify this one, this implies 3 into integration of I1 equal to 3 into integration of 1 divided by square root of t into dt. We know, right, how to solve this one. This implies I1 value is equal to 3 into integration of t to the power minus 1 by 2 into dt. So I1 value is equal to 3 into t to the power minus 1 by 2 is t to the power 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 into dt. Okay, Okay, plus integration constant I am taking it as it's equal to c1. So this implies I1 value is equal to 2 moves the numerator 6 into root t plus c1. This implies I1 value is equal to 6 into root of t value. T value is equal to x square minus 9x plus 20 plus c1. So I1 value is 6 into square root of x square minus 9x plus 20. Okay, x square minus 9x plus 20. Okay, you need to write in the form a square plus 2ab plus bc form, and you need to rewrite it as a plus b whole square minus b square plus c form. So what I will do is x square, a I am taking it as x square plus 2 into a, already take it as a into b minus 9x you need to get. How to get that one? You need to multiply minus 9 divided by 2. 2 get cancels. Minus 9 into x is minus 9x. Okay, and again rewrite it as it's equal to a plus b, x minus 9 by 2 whole square, a plus b whole square, and minus b square minus 9, that is 81 by 4, plus c value is equal to 20. Okay, so it is equal to x minus 9 by 2 whole square. See, 4 into 20, 24 is 80 minus 81, its value equal to minus 1 by 4. So it is equal to x minus 9 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square. So I2 is equal to, keeping 34 outside, 34 into integration of 1 divided by square root of this x square minus 9x plus 20 can be written as x minus 9 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square into dx. So in the next step again I will consider that one. See what we have. I2 is equal to 34 into integration of 1 by x minus 9 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square is there, right, into dx is there. Substitute x minus 9 by 2 equal to t, then if you differentiate, dx value is equal to dt you will get. So substitute, this implies substituting I2 is equal to 34 into integration of 1 by t square minus 1 by 2 whole square, okay, into dx value is dt. Again see we have the formula, right, integration of 1 by x square minus a square. What's the formula? Integration of x square minus a square, it is equal to log of mod x plus square root of x square minus a square plus c. So this implies I2 value is equal to 34 into log of, okay, mod x t plus square root of t square minus a square is 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, so this implies I2 is equal to 34 into log, what is t? T value is equal to x minus 9 by 2 plus t square minus 1 by 2 whole square, that is x minus 9 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 4. Okay, plus I will take c1 integration constant c2. C1 already taken, right? Second term I am taking it as c2. So this implies I2 value is equal to 34 into log of mod, here you can write it as 2x minus 9 by 2, or you can keep it as x minus 9 by 2 plus x minus 9 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 4. This is nothing but the given question, square root of x square minus 9x plus 20, right? We wrote this as x minus 9 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 4 plus c2. Now see, we have I1 and I2 value, therefore integration of 6x plus 7 divided by square root of x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx. You wrote I1 plus I2. What is I1? We have I1 is 6 into square root of x square minus 9x plus 20 plus I2 value plus 34 into log of mod x minus 9 by 2 plus square root of x square minus 9x plus 20. C1 plus C2 is there, right? Together I will write it as plus C. See the next question, x plus 2 by square root of 4x minus x square. Okay, I'll write it as integration of x plus 2 divided by square root of 4x minus x square into dx. Again, it is not in the form f dash of x by f of x. So, write x plus 2 equal to a into d by dx of 4x minus x square plus b. Okay, so x plus 2 equal to a into differentiation of 4x is 4, differentiation of minus x square is minus 2x plus b. So take it as equation 1, then simplify. X plus 2 equal to 4 into a is 4a minus 2 into a into x plus b. Then comparing, first take the coefficient of x. What's the coefficient of x? Left hand side 1 equal to here coefficient of x is minus 2a. Okay, right? This implies a value equal to minus 1 by 2. Calculate b value. Comparing the constant terms, b value 2 is equal to, constant term here is 4a and one more constant term, that is b is there. So 2 equal to 4 into a value is minus 1 by 2 plus b. So 2 1s are 2 2s are minus 2 is there, right? This implies 2 equal to minus 2 plus b, then minus 2 plus 2. Okay, minus 2, if you take this side, that will become plus 2. This implies b value is equal to 4. Substituting in equation 1, what you will get? X plus 2 is equal to a into, what is a value? Substitute a value. We have a value is equal to minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 into 4 minus 2x, and b value you got, it's equal to plus 4. Okay, then substituting in the equation, so equation star equal to, equation star implies integration of, okay, a to x plus 2. What is x plus 2? Minus 1 by 2 into 4 minus 2x and plus 4 divided by square root of 4x minus x square into dx. You can write it as, see, it's equal to integration of minus 1 by 2 4 minus 2x divided by square root of 4x minus x square, okay, into dx plus integration of 4 divided by 4x minus x square into dx. In the next step, see, I will write it as, it's equal to I1 plus I2. Consider I1 is equal to, keeping minus 1 by 2 outside, minus 1 by 2 into 4 minus 2x divided by square root of 4x minus x square. Go for substitution method. Substitute, okay, 4x minus x square equal to t. Okay, then differentiating with respect to x, this implies 4 minus 2x, okay, equal to, what you will get? Dt by dx. So 4 minus 2x into dx is equal to dt. So I1 is equal to minus 1 by 2 into integration of 4 minus 2x. 4 minus 2x into dx is there, right? That will become dt. So dt divided by square root of t. Okay, now integrate. I1 is equal to minus 1 by 2 into integration of dt by root t is equal to root t divided by 1 by 2 plus integration constant c1. This is t root of t value. We took t value is equal to 4x minus x square minus 4x minus x square plus take it as c1. Remember the i1 value. Now calculate I value. Now calculate i2 value. We took i2 is equal to minus x square, or you can write it as x square plus 4x. So what you have to do, you need to write it as a square plus 2ab plus c form. Then you need to rewrite it as a plus b whole square minus b square plus c form. So minus, keeping minus sign outside, let's see, x square plus 2 into a is x. Then how to get 4x? You need to multiply, in place of b you need to take 2. So x square plus 4x will get, okay, plus c value is equal to 0. Okay, here no c, constant term, right? C value equal to 0. It's equal to minus, then write it this form, a plus b whole square x plus 2 whole square, a plus b whole square minus b square. B square value is 2 square is 4 plus c equal to 0. So it's equal to minus, see, x plus 2 whole square minus 4 can be written as 2 square. Take this minus side inside the bracket. So reverses, right? What you will get? 2 square minus x plus 2 whole square. Okay, taking this minus side inside the bracket. So I2 is equal to 4, keeping 4 outside, 4 into, then here what you will get? 1 by square root of this much value is 2 square minus x plus 2 whole square into dx. Next substitute x plus 2 equal to t. This implies x is 1, 1 into dx is equal to dt. You can directly substitute. So I2 value is equal to 4 into integration of 1 by square root of 2 square minus t square into dx value equal to dt. Again formula, integration of 1 by square root of a square minus x square. 1 by square root of a square minus x square, its value is equal to sine inverse of x by a plus c. So its I2 value is equal to 4 into, okay, integration I am directly substituting, 4 into sine inverse of what is x, t by a plus c2. So I2 value is equal to 4 into sine inverse of t value. T value, we substituted t value is equal to somewhere here x plus 2, right? So x plus 2 divided by a value is 2 plus c2. Now combine, therefore integration of the given question. Given question is x plus 2 divided by square root of 4x minus x square into dx is equal to I1 value we already calculated. Here I1, what we got? I1 is equal to minus square root of 4x minus x square plus I2 value, substitute I2 value. Here I2 value we got 4 into sine inverse of, okay, here I'll write 4 into sine inverse of x plus 2 by 2 plus c1 plus c2. Together you can write integration constant c. Okay, so this is the required solution. See the next question, x plus 2 by square root of x square plus 2x plus 3. Again it's not in the form f dash of x by f of x. So write x plus 2 equal to a into d by dx of x square plus 2x plus 3 plus integration constant b. Before that I'll write it as integration of, symbolizing x plus 2 by square root of x square plus 2x plus 3 into dx. Take it as equation star and take it as, okay, then x plus 2 is equal to a into, differentiate, x square is 2x, 2x is 2 plus constant b. Take it as equation 1. In the next step it's equal to x plus 2 equal to multiply 2x into a plus 2a plus b, comparing coefficients of x and constant terms. Here what's a term comparing coefficient of x means 1 equal to, here we'll get 2a. This implies a value equal to 1 by 2. Then compare the constant term. Left hand side 2 is there. 2 is equal to 2a plus b. 2 is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 plus b. 2 and 2 get cancels. 2 minus 1 equal to b. B value is equal to 1. Substituting in equation 1. If you substitute in equation 1 means what you will get, x plus 2 is equal to a value is 1 by 2 into 2x plus 2 plus b value is equal to plus 1. Okay, then substituting in equation star, so this implies integration of x plus 2, that is 1 by 2 into 2x plus 2 plus 1 divided by square root of x square plus 2x plus 3 into dx. Now split this one. It's equal to integration of 1 by 2 into 2x plus 2 divided by square root of x square plus 2x plus 3 into dx plus integration of 1 by square root of x square plus 2x plus 3 into dx. Then same procedure, take it as I1, second one as I2. Okay, now consider I1 equal to, keeping 1 by 2 outside, 1 by 2 into integration of 2x plus 2 divided by square root of x square plus 2x plus 3 into dx. We know, right, it is in the form f dash of x by f of x, but under square root of f of x. So directly, if possible, you can write I1 value is equal to 1 by 2 into, see what you will get, root t divided by 1 by 2. That means you will get 2 into root t. Okay, its value is equal to, right, 2 into root t, root of x square plus 2x plus 3. Okay, plus I'll take c1, or you can just remember integration of f dash of x divided by square root of f of x. This value is equal to, okay, 2 into root of f of x. Okay, so you will get t1 is equal, I1 equal to 1 by 2 into 2 into x square plus 2x plus 3 c1, or you can write I1 equal to 2 get cancels, right, square root of x square plus 2x plus 3 plus integration constant c1. Then take I2. We have I2 is equal to integration of 1 divided by square root of what we have, x square plus 2x plus 3. Here same procedure you need to follow. Okay, what's the first step? First step is consider x square plus 2x plus 3. Then what you have to do? Then see a square plus 2ab plus c form. Then you need to rewrite it as a plus b whole square minus b square plus c form. So here x square plus 2 into a is x into b. What is b? Since here 2x is there, b must be equal to 1 plus c. How to rewrite this one? This implies x plus 1 whole square, a plus b whole square minus b square is 1 plus 3. So it is equal to x plus 1 whole square plus 2. So you can write it as it's equal to x plus 1 whole square plus root 2 whole square. Substitute I2 value is equal to integration of 1 by square root of this much value is equal to x plus 1 whole square plus root 2 whole square into dx. Next substitute x plus 1 is equal to t. This implies dx value is equal to dt. So I2 is equal to integration of 1 by here what you will get, t square plus root 2 whole square into dx value is dt. What is the formula? Integration of 1 by square root of x square plus a square. See, it's a standard formula, right? It's equal to log of mod x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. So substitute here I2 is equal to you will get log of x value is equal to t plus square root of t square plus a square is root 2 square. Root 2 square is equal to 2 itself plus integration constant c2. Then again simplify, I2 is equal to log of t value is equal to x plus 1 plus square root of x plus 1 whole square plus 2, okay, plus c2. This is nothing but I2 is equal to log of x plus 1, okay, mod x plus 1 is mod x plus 1 plus x plus 1 whole square plus 2 is nothing but x square plus 2x plus 3 plus c2. Okay, now combine this one. Okay, therefore integration of, what is the question, x plus 2 divided by square root of x square plus 2x plus 3 is nothing but I1 plus I2. We have I1 value. What we got? I1 here, square root of x square plus 2x plus 3, only square root of x square plus 2x plus 3, okay, plus I2 value is equal to log of mod x plus 1 plus square root of same x square plus 2x plus 3 plus integration constant c. See the next question, x plus 3 by x square minus 2x minus 5 is not in the form f dash of x by f of x. So consider x plus 3 equal to a into d by dx of x square minus 2x minus 5 plus b value. So x plus 3 is equal to a into, what is derivative, 2x minus 2 plus b, take it as equation 1. So x plus 3 equal to 2a into x minus 2a plus b you will get. Okay, comparing, first compare coefficient of x. Coefficient of x here 1 equal to here coefficient of x is 2a. This implies a value is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, then again see, comparing the constant term here, what you will have, 3 equal to minus 2a plus b. So 3 is equal to minus 2 into, what is a value? A value is 1 by 2 plus b is there. Here minus 2 and 2 get cancels, only minus 1 is remaining, right? 3 equal to minus 1 plus b. So if you take minus 1 to RHS, what you will get? 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 value is 4 is equal to b. So we have a value equal to 1 by 2 and b value is equal to 4. Substituting that value is in equation 1. So x plus 3 is equal to a value. What is a value? 1 by 2 into 2x minus 2 plus b value. B value is equal to 4. Okay, now consider, I will write it as x plus 3 divided by x square minus 2x minus 5 into dx, and I am taking this as star. Then what will it, star implies? Star implies integration of, in place of x plus 3 substitute these values, 1 by 2 into 2x minus 2 plus 4 divided by, okay, denominator is x square minus 2x minus 5 into dx. In the next step, separate this one, you will get integration of 1 by 2 into 2x minus 2 divided by x square minus 2x minus 5 into dx, and plus integration of 4 by x square minus 2x minus 5 into dx. So here take it as, first one as I1, second one as I2. So first consider I1 equal to, keeping 1 by 2 outside, 1 by 2 into integration of 2x minus 2 divided by x square minus 2x minus 5 into dx. Here we know, right, it is in the form f dash of x by f of x. So I1 value equal to 1 by 2 into log of f of x, that is x square minus 2x minus 5 plus integration constant c1. Just remember the formula, integration of f dash of x by f of x is equal to log of f of x plus c. Similarly, calculate I2 value. I2 we have 4 divided by x square minus 2x minus 5 is there. Similar procedure you need to follow. Consider the equation x square minus 2x minus 5. If your equation in the form a square plus 2ab plus b square, then you need to rewrite it, not b square, take it here plus c. Okay, then you need to rewrite it as a plus b whole square minus b square plus c. So x square minus 2x minus 5, here a place x is there, x square plus 2 into what is a, you already taken a as x into b. To get minus 2x, your b must be equal to minus 1. Then c value is there. You need to rewrite it as it is equal to a plus b x minus 1 whole square minus b square, minus 1 square is 1. Okay, this minus by the formula, then b square is 1. C value is equal to minus 5. So this implies x minus 1 whole square minus 6. You can rewrite it as x minus 1 whole square minus root 6 square. So substitute here, it's equal to, keeping 4 outside, 1 by integration of x minus 1 whole square minus root 6 whole square into here value is equal to, substitute dx, next x minus 1 equal to t. This implies dx is equal to dt also. So your form will get into 4 into 1 by t square minus root 6 square into dx value equal to dt. We know, right, standard formula, integration of 1 by x square minus a square into dx. X square minus a square into dx is equal to a log of one by 2a into log of mod of x minus a divided by mod x plus a plus c. So it is equal to 4 into log of 1 by into 1 by 2a. 2 into a value is root 6. Here we have into log of mod x. What is x? T minus root 6 divided by t plus root 6 and the integration constant plus c. So 2 1s are 2 2s are, so you will get 2 divided by root 6 into log of what is t? T is equal to x minus 1 minus root 6 divided by x plus 1 plus root 6 plus, take it as integration constant c2. Now see, we have t1 and t2 value. So substituting in that equation, so integration of the given question 5x, okay, it's not 5x, right, it is 3x plus 3 divided by x square minus 2x minus 5 into dx equal to I1 plus I2. I1 value is equal to, we have log of x square minus 2x minus 5 that we calculated. Once check, I1 is 1 by 2 is there. Okay, 1 by 2 into log of x square minus 2x minus 5, and I2 value is 2 plus 2 by root 6 into log of x minus 1 minus root 6 divided by x plus 1 plus root 6, c1 plus c2, take it as plus c. See the next question, 5x plus 3 by square root of x square plus 4x plus 10. Similar to the previous question, consider 5x plus 3 is equal to a into d by dx of x square plus 4x plus 10 plus b. Okay, I will rewrite in the, symbolize this one, integration of 5x plus 3 divided by square root of x square plus 4x plus 10 into dx. Okay, take it as equation star. If you simplify this equation, 5x plus 3 is equal to a into differentiate 2x plus 4 plus b So 5x plus 3 is equal to 2 into x a into x plus 4a plus b is there. Then again simplify this one, comparing the coefficient of x as well as constant terms. If you compare the coefficient of x, here 5 is there, 5 is equal to 2a. This implies a value is equal to 5 divided by 2. And compare the constants, 3 is equal to 4a plus b. So 3 is equal to 4 into 5 by 2 plus b. 2 1s are 2 2s are 5 2s are 10, right? So you'll get 3 minus 10 equal to b. This implies b value is equal to minus 7. So a value is equal to 5 by 2 and b value is equal to minus 7 is there. So in the next step, see, substituting in equation 1. So you will get 5x plus 3 is equal to a value is 5 by 2 into 2x plus 4 plus b value is equal to minus 7. Okay, substitute this value in equation star. Equation star implies integration of 5 by 2 into 2x plus 4 minus 7 divided by the denominator is square root of x square plus 4x plus 10 into dx. Okay, now split into two parts. One is integration of 5 by 2, it's equal to integration of 5 by 2 into 2x plus 4 divided by square root of x square plus 4x plus 10. And next equation is into dx minus integration of 7 divided by square root of x square plus 4x plus 10 into dx. It is equal to, take the first one as I1 and take the second one as I2. Consider I1 is equal to, keeping 5 by 2 outside, 5 by 2 into integration of 2x plus 4 divided by square root of x square plus 4x plus 10 into dx. Again use the formula, integration of f dash of x divided by square root of f of x is equal to 2 into f of x. So I1 value is equal to 5 by 2 into 2 into f of x value, f of x, okay, root f of x. In the formula root f of x is there, so root of x square plus 4x plus 10, okay, plus take integration constant c1. Then again see here 2 get cancelled, so I1 is equal to 5 into square root of x square plus 4x plus 10 plus integration constant c1. Now similarly calculate I2 value. What we have, I2 is equal to minus 7 into 1 by integration of the given question square root of x square plus 4x plus 10. Similar method you need to follow. First consider the equation x square plus 4x plus 10. Then rewrite this one as a square plus 2ab plus c. After writing this form, convert it into a plus b whole square minus b square plus c form. So x square plus 2 into, what is a here taken, a is x, then how to get to 4x, b must be equal to 2 plus c value is equal to 10. So you can rewrite it as a plus b is 2 whole square minus b square is equal to 4 plus 10. Okay, then this implies x plus 2 whole square minus, not minus, plus 6. You can write it as x plus 2 whole square plus root 6 whole square. Okay, substitute here. So I2 value is equal to minus 7 into integration of 1 by terms inside the square root is nothing but x plus 2 whole square plus root 6 whole square, okay, into dx is there. Then in the next step substitute x plus 2 equal to t. This implies if you differentiate with respect to x, dx value is equal to dt. So I2 implies I2 is equal to minus 7 into integration of 1 by square root of t square plus root 6 square, okay, into dx value is dt. So I2 value is equal to minus 7 into what is the integration of standard formula, integration of 1 by square root of x square plus a square into dx. Check the formula. It's equal to log of mod x plus square root of x square plus a square plus integration constant. So minus 7 into log of mod x, that is t plus square root of t square plus a square is root 6 square is 6, okay, plus integration constant c2. Okay, in the next step, see, I2 is equal to minus 7 into log of what is t. T is equal to x plus 2 plus square root of x plus 2 whole square plus 6, okay, plus c2. So I2 value is equal to minus 7 into log of x plus 2 plus this is nothing but x plus 2 whole square plus 6 is nothing but x square plus 4x plus 10, that is a given question, plus c2. Okay, therefore combine integration of, what's the question, 2x plus 4, right? Yeah, integration of 5x plus 3 divided by square root of x square plus 4x plus 10 into dx equal to I1 value we calculated, right? I1 here it is 5 into square root of x square plus 4x plus 10, x square plus 4x plus 10, okay, c1 is there, later we will add that one, and plus I2 value is minus 7 into log of mod x plus 2 plus square root of x square plus 4x plus 10 plus integration constant c.